Very good morning, students. I welcome you all to the new academic year of 2021-22. Now, through the videos, we will be meeting for the subject accounts, bookkeeping, and accountancy. Since this is the very first video of the subject, I will be giving you the details regarding the examination pattern of bookkeeping and accountancy. As you know, this is a major subject of commerce. You will be appearing for 100 marks examination. Now, this 100 marks are divided into two parts. One is 80 marks written test and second is application based test. As you all know that this is an internal assessment. You can see application based test is conducted in the colleges 1.5 months before your final exams. The score of this application based test is sent to the board, which is added to your written exam, and you get a total of both in your report card. This internal assessment application based test is based on the entire syllabus for your bookkeeping and accountancy. It is mainly comprising of the objective types question. In this internal assessment, you will be writing the answers on the same question paper as you used to do it in your old days. When you were small, you were answering your question papers, you were writing the answers in the same paper. So similarly, here also now you will be solving the paper on the same sheet wherein you are given the question. So this will help us to keep a record of the paper solved as well as the answers. Okay, internal assessment is compulsory for all those students who are appearing for 12th standard board examination. Then secondly, the examination is of 80 marks. The second out of 100 remaining 80 marks will be your board exam. This exam will be conducted on the entire syllabus. Here you will have objectives as well as practical question based on all the chapters given in your textbook. Okay. In your 12th standard, you are having 10 different types of chapters. These chapters are having different weightages. So we will first see what is the weightage of each chapter given in the textbook. Now the first chapter is Introduction to Partnership and Partnership Final Accounts. This is a compulsory question number 7 of your board exam, and this question carries 12 marks. From this chapter you will have objectives worth of 4 marks. So total weightage is 16 marks for your chapter number 1. Second is accounts of non-profit concern. Accounts of non-profit concern is again a compulsory question number 6 of your board exam. You will have a question of 12 marks along with the objectives of 4 marks. So total weightage for chapter number 1 and chapter number 2 of your textbook is 16 marks. These are the highly rated chapters in your textbook, in your syllabus. Then we have reconstitution of partnership. In this reconstitution of partnership, you have admission of a partner, you have retirement of a partner, and death of a partner. In this case, they have clubbed up, they have combined admission of a partner and retirement of a partner. So these two chapters will be having 10 marks practical problem and they will be having 2 marks objectives. Okay, so each chapter will have an practical question which may be compulsory or in the optional part. That depends upon the paper pattern. So it is going to contain 10 marks practical problem. Then in this next is dissolution of partnership firm and bills of exchange. These two chapters again will be having 10 marks practical problems in your board examination. 10 marks practical along with 2 marks objectives. So each chapter will have a weightage of 12 marks. Then we have another section, that is reconstitution of partnership. Remaining is the death of a partner. This death of a partner chapter will have 8 marks compulsory question from your board examination. Then you will have company accounts, issue of shares. Issue of shares is a very small and limited journal entry problem. So it is having 8 marks for the journal entries, and it will have a stereotype question in your board examination. Next is analysis of financial statement. This again will have 8 marks. And computer accounting, this is a theory part in your accounting. So this chapter will contain long answer type questions, each 2 questions, each question carrying 4 marks. So it will be total of 8 marks. So we have 3 sections when we are studying. One is the 12 mark practical question, 10 marks practical question, and 8 marks practical question. We have to focus, we have to study these chapters accordingly. Then the paper pattern which was proposed for 2021 only is question number 1 will be select the correct alternatives. You will have question number 1 which is objectives. You will have 4 different types of objectives. Then each question will carry 5 marks. So total question number 1 will have 20 marks as objectives. And out of 80 marks, 20 marks are given for objectives. Remaining 60 marks will be divided amongst the practical problems. Now, as you all can see, question number 2 is admission or retirement of a partner. You have to solve any one of the following, which will be of 10 marks. Question number 3 will be dissolution of partnership or bills of exchange, which will be of 10 marks. Next, bills of exchange is a journal entry type question. Here you have to frame various journal entries depending upon the question. There are no ledger accounts involved in this chapter. Question number 4 will be issue of shares and company accounting. Issue of shares is again, as I told you, is a journal entry type of question, and we are going to frame stereotype journal entries. Journal entries are also fixed in this chapter with only changes in the amount of entries. Then question number 5 will be death of a partner or analysis of financial statement. Now, death of a partner is much easy compared to analysis of financial statement, but it is up to you which chapter you feel easy you are going to solve it. Each chapter will contain 8 marks. And then you have question number 6 and 7, that is profit or problem on non-profit organizations and problem of partnership final accounts. Both are compulsory questions having no internal choice. So this is how you are going to study the entire syllabus throughout the year, and you will be preparing yourself for the 80 marks paper. I have given you a brief idea about the paper pattern and the different chapters which are included in your syllabus along with its weightage. I have also explained you the paper pattern which was proposed only for last year. Based on that, we are going to complete our syllabus for this academic year also. So, with not wasting much of our time, we will begin with our first chapter hereafter, that the chapter is of bills of exchange. So hereafter in the videos you will have a theory as well as practical session of bills of exchange. So keep watching the video, students. Thank you for and see you soon.